Hello everyone. Welcome to SKLEARNING C#.NET interview series. In this video, we'll explore the difference between var versus dynamic. In var, it is introduced in C# 3.0. The variables are declared using var keyword are statically typed. The type of the variable is decided by the compiler at compile time. The variable of this type should be initialized at the time of declaration, so that the compiler will decide the type of the variable according to the value it initialized. If the variable does not initialize, it throws an error. It supports IntelliSense in Visual Studio. It cannot be used for properties or returning values from the function. It can only use as a local variable in function. In dynamic, it is introduced in C# 4.0. The variables are declared using dynamic keyword or dynamically typed. The type of the variable is decided by the compiler at runtime. The variable of this type need not be initialized at the time of declaration, because the compiler does not know the type of the variable at compile time. If the variable does not initialize, it will not throw an error. It does not support IntelliSense in Visual Studio. It can be used for properties or returning values from the function. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to SKLEARNING for more informative content.